Auto Expo, we are expecting, at least what we are trying to focus is we are trying to be a tribological solution provider. We are developing ourselves to provide tribological solutions irrespective of shapes and material. That's our core motive. And then we have showcased our products and applications in automotive. And then also we are telling people our aerospace technologies. So this is what we want to tell people, that you have to, if you need high technology products, if you want to improve your performance, we are there in tribology. That's what the message where we are trying to give it there.
Okay, and any new product launches?
We can explain this Pyro slide product, which is introduced in India last year. Conventionally, these are the levels, the bearings with polymer, it worked up to 280, and up to graphite, we came up to 550. That was the normal bearing temperatures. So now we have developed bearings which can work up to 650, 800 degrees centigrade as well. This is very much important for engine applications, especially the EGR valves applications. And we are in fact going to develop 1000 degrees centigrade also. So this is under development, and then we'll soon launch this in the market. So this is something new from our side, this show we are doing.
So the temperature range right now you are showcasing is up to 800 degrees centigrade, is it?
Yeah, up to 800, and 1000 is expected. So.
Okay. So how exactly does this work, and what are the advantages?
Yeah, mainly when you have high temperatures, the rate of wear is higher, and then there is differential expansions also. So you need to have a bearing material which is compatible with the housing, and then even at high temperatures, the wear should not happen. So this bearing helps in this aspects. So you will have very good wear resistance under high temperature, which is very important.
And is this dedicated to the automotive sector, or?
In automotive, this is focused on the engine side, I said the exhaust side more. This can be used in other furnaces and other applications also. Yeah. This has a wide range of applications.
Okay. And what are your expectations from Auto Expo 2020?
We had quite a lot of expectations this show. We are seeing there's quite a lot of participation also. And what we were expecting is that there should be new companies who's developing electric vehicles. Those people has to come more. And we wanted to see more of these people exhibiting new technologies more, and we were expecting some more leads from there. In fact, we had some people coming, but not to the extent what we were having in mind, or where the companies, number of companies what we see in the list. So I don't know, still 2 more days are to go. We expect that this new technology people come over there, and we have an opportunity to meet them at a single forum. We have all the production presented for them. So this is what our expectation majorly for this one. Otherwise, the conventional industry we are already in contact with. So these are the budding companies, startup companies, where we thought this could be a good platform. They come and meet us.
So do you also have products that cater to EV segment?
Yeah, like I said. When we change from conventional car to EV cars, many of the components come down, but still some components like the shock absorber, the brake systems will work, and there are new components to actuators, solenoids. This will add up more. So we have applications in all these areas. So we were looking for some companies on those lines. Yeah.
So what is your growth strategy for the next few years, especially with so many changes that are supposed to happen?
We see what we were conventionally we were known as a bearing supplier or bearing solutions provider. So we have to move to a bigger level. We want to cover up the entire tribological area. So we want to become a tribological solution provider. And previously we were known for cylindrical thrust washers, cylindrical bearings or flange bearings. So these were limitation of shapes in mind. So we want to go above this. So no shape limitations. Anywhere there is a tribological requirement is there, this is where we are going to focus.
Okay. That's investment plans?
For the investment plans, I would say that we moved for a new office, sales office, commercial office the last year. It's a bigger office than previously what we have with our sister concern. However, we do not have a manufacturing plan yet. It will come soon. As the market grows, will come out.
Okay. Anything else to wrap up with?
Uh, to no, not specifically, but what I would expect is the India want to grow much faster in EV technology. That's what I'm expecting in comparison with the other countries are going ahead. I'm not sure. The product launches are not seen yet very much. Probably everything is in cooking stage, but I have to see this in. This is what I'm expecting and to see. That's all.
One last question, and that is the economic slowdown that the
Last
market
year.
is seeing. What is the impact of it on you, and when do you think he'll be okay?
Okay, the last year we had impact, especially from the automotive industries, especially on the second half of the year. There were several cut-in schedules on second half of the year. However, this beginning of the year, from January, beginning of the January itself, we see quite a lot of revival of schedules. Many people. We were very hope that will continue, but little bit I am not very sure of how it come up further. Otherwise, if this momentum continues, I believe this will be a good year.